Good morning. How you doing?
Good, thanks. How are you?
All right, good. So I saw you in the office this morning when I walked in, and I saw you getting an IV, and I actually passed the room, and I didn't recognize you. I actually did a turnaround. I had to walk back and then walk into the room. I said, "Is this who I think it is?" And I was like completely taken back. Can you tell the audience a little bit about your experience with the practice? What made you come to the practice? And then more importantly, what kind of results have you seen in the practice?
Okay, so it's been several years since I've been struggling with my menopause, and I started gaining a lot of weight.
So menopause and weight gain.
Yes.
They often come together.
Yes, and fatigue and everything else, everything goes together. So I found your practice, and when I came first, I started doing what you told me to do, but not completely. And then when I came back next time, you told me I have to follow exactly what you told me to do. So that's what I did. I said, forget it. So I'm going to do it. I'm going to stick with that. And that's when I achieved the results that I wanted.
The biggest changes.
The biggest change. And I feel so much better.
How old are you?
I'm 49.
49 years old, okay.
Yeah.
And you struggled with menopause, and you were seeing your doctor, and
Yes.
I believe you also have a thyroid problem as well.
I have thyroid problem. I have fibromyalgia. And,
which is just pain all over, and
yes.
weakness and fatigue.
Yes, and I also have mitral valve prolapse, which gives me a lot of tachycardia. And it's actually all been, I would say, maintained very well now.
You feel
So,
good now?
yes, I have many good days. Sometimes there could be some days that I don't feel well, but overall, I would say 90% of my days are better.
And 90% is good, I'll take that. How much weight have you lost?
40 or 45.
40 or 45 pounds, wow,
Yeah.
amazing. And you must be going to the gym like every day. You working out like an animal, or is this just, not intense workout, but light workout, but yet?
I do light workout. I don't do intense workout anymore. You know what I learned with age? I cannot do that anymore, and that's okay. I forgive myself for that. But I do
I'd
like
like to talk to you in
workout.
10 years. See what aging really is,
Yeah, but I'm hoping to do it more intense, actually.
Just to jump into a little bit of the menopause symptoms, with the bioidentical hormones that you're on, have you seen any side effects that were negative?
No, not at all. For me, no, I haven't seen any.
Great. And has it helped improve your menopausal symptoms, which are, let's say, hot flashes or night sweats?
Absolutely, yes.
Yeah.
Night sweats, hot flushes, I forgot about them.
Vaginal dryness?
No more.
Never. Good. Libido? Better?
It's fine.
Good? Good. And your thyroid. So you're taking the natural thyroid, the desiccated
Yes.
thyroid. And how's your heart? Any problems with your heart?
No, as I
Everything's
mentioned,
good?
yes, that mitral valve gives me tachycardia, but with this medication, I'm fine.
You feel great.
Yeah.
Good. And are you seen by any primary care doctors or traditional doctors or specialists? And if so, what are they reporting to you when they see you?
They're surprised.
Do they want to come here?
I tell them about you.
They're
honestly.
surprised.
I tell everybody, yes.
Thank you. And lastly, how have you seen the professionalism of this practice and dealing with the staff in this practice? I know you come here regularly for intravenous vitamin cocktails as well. How have you seen the overall staff here in your experience?
Very friendly, very professional, always up to date, and you guys follow up with things. That's what amazing. That's why I was talking to Ashley today. I said, we're looking someone as professional for our front desk as
Yeah.
she is. Yes, it's very nice.
It's tough. When I look for somebody to hire, I look for somebody who would represent like an American Express black card. I don't own a black card, but if I did, I think that would be the kind of service I would get.
Okay.
Well, thank you very much. I really appreciate
you.
you.
I really thank you.
Thank
Thank you and all your staff. Thank you guys.
Thank you.
You're amazing.